Friends, a very good day to you. Uh, as you've been following my videos for quite some time, thankfully, I'm back again and I'm going to talk about a new and an interesting video today. I'm actually going to talk a lot about technology and the future in my videos. And since you've been following up my videos for some time, you must have realized that I seem to talk about things in relation to electricity, energy, power, and so on and so forth. So today I'm going to talk about a slightly complex relation. In fact, I'm going to split this video in two parts. The first part I'm going to talk about one country, and then another part I'm going to talk about another country. And I'm basically going to talk about Bolivia and Chile. So Bolivia and Chile are like the 50 Cent and Kanye West of Latin America. I mean, they're like the kind of singers which were cool at some time and now are kind of now in their decline. Now it's true that they share a border, but other than that, there couldn't be anything more different between Bolivia, which is one of the poorest countries in the world and in this continent, while Chile, which is among one of the wealthiest countries. So Bolivia is a paragon of the so-called indigenous socialism, while Chile is like the Mordor of neoliberalism or something like that. So, and as if these two countries are not involved in that never-ending conflict between them on northeast Chile and southwest Bolivia for territory, there is one thing which is common between the two of them, and that is white gold. Now, when you think of white gold in the relation of Latin America, you must be thinking of cocaine. But no, I'm not talking about cocaine over here. What I'm going to talk about is lithium. Lithium is used for manufacturing batteries. That is basically the battery that I have right now on my cell phone, on the laptop, on the electric cars. All of them are pretty much being run on lithium-ion batteries, and this is going to flood our market. So basically, lithium is like the cotton of 18th century or the oil of the last 120 odd years itself. It's the latest on the periodic table. Its value has probably gone up since almost 10 times in the last 2 decades alone, and its demand is not stopping, and it's not going to stop in the next few coming years as well, at least for the next 2 or 3 decades if everything remains the same. Now the thing is, like, close to 60 to 80% of all the known lithium reserves in the world are actually in an area, and you can probably Google it up. It's known as the Lithium Triangle. The Lithium Triangle is an area which covers parts of Bolivia, Argentina, Chile, and lithium it's pretty abundant over there. It's very easy to extract. In other words, this part of the planet is most probably going to be the new Saudi Arabia, and the form in which it is found actually is something like dried up salt lakes, so which in Spanish is known as solars. And these brines are basically very different and are very easy to get lithium out of than probably going into a mine and break it out of a very hard rock. It's much more cheaper, it's much more effective. And among these three countries, Bolivia is the luckiest one, because the so-called Salar de Uyuno, I've said that wrong, holds 2 to 3 times more lithium reserves than the mines of Argentina and Chile combined. That means Bolivia obviously has the largest amount of lithium right now in the world. Now, on the other hand, Chile already has a world-class mining industry.